Focus2Career Occupations assignment, okay? And this is something that if there isn't just a quiz you're going to take and you get a result, okay? So this is a little different. You need to listen carefully and watch, okay? So you're going to go here to where it says combine your results. You're going to need to combine or merge all your results from all the different assessments you've taken in order to complete this assignment. So you're going to go ahead and click combine. So the cool thing about this is you can look at occupations that match up with just what you put in here. But I'm going to go ahead and put all of these in here, and I want you to do the same. So you're going to click on all of them. You're going to click apply. Okay, so some of you, so it says no occupations appear in 5 of the assessments. So if there was one that was like across all 5, then that would probably be like my dream one, right? So it gives me, it's hilarious that this is what it comes up with for me. So counseling psychologist, this is the job that I chose, literally, is number 1 here. And then we have curriculum and assessment director, that's 2. And then health psychologist, 3. So what you're going to do is just take a picture of your top 3 occupations after you have combined all of your assessments, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture, screenshot of my top 3, okay? So the top 3 are going to be at the top, okay? So then you're going to compare these occupations by, and I think these tells you what they've matched. So none of them match my work interest, hilarious, but matching my values, personality, skills, and leisure, all 4. Cool. Does anything match my work interest? Yeah, these down here. Interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do to, I'm going to go ahead and choose counseling psychologist. We're going really slow here. My internet is, why has it got to be like this right now? All right, I'm going to stop. I'm going to refresh. I guess you can. Sorry, this is taking forever. There we go, counseling psychologist. So you're going to go ahead and go to print, save as a PDF, and save. And if you do this, you're going to push save. You're going to go ahead and push counseling psychologist. I'm going to leave it in downloads, save. Okay, close. Okay, I'm going to go back to my list. The next one is going to be curriculum and assessment director. You know what? This is something I've never considered doing, but I actually think I'd be good at this. Now, you could just go to the PDF, but for those of you who are saying you couldn't do the PDF, it's the same thing when you choose print and choose PDF. You can do that. So anybody can do that. It doesn't matter what computer you're on. You are able to generate these reports from any computer, whether it's a PC or not. Okay, so there we go. Curriculum assessment director, that's the 3rd one. Now we're going to go back to health psychologist and do the same thing. So you're going to have 3 of these. Okay, so I got my 3. Slow going here. So I'm heading back to the occupations list. We'll save that one. Yes. I said save. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Then I'm going to head down to the bottom here. Now, there are a lot of ways that you can look up information about careers and things that we haven't gone over yet. So we have, what can I do with a major in blank offered at Chaffey College? So if you have a particular major you're getting, you can look here and it will tell you, if you have a major, these are the degrees you can get. So if you're majoring in anthropology, these are the associates and transfer degrees that you can get. That's just for you. Okay, what can I do if I majored in? So these are like occupations related to suggested majors. So let's say you're doing communication and journalism. These are all different majors that exist within that main major, okay? That's helpful. Then we've got explore any occupation. This is where you can literally just go look at what we just looked up. It's basically any occupation, but you can just type in any occupation. Then we've got explore occupations by job family, which is kind of nice because there's only how many job families are there? Like 20. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there's 22 here, but these are all the jobs that exist are filed into these jobs, okay? So you can look up, like, let's say education and training, and then here's all the jobs that relate to that job family. Same thing with farming, fishing, and forestry. These are all the jobs related to that. And some of them are smaller than others, but this is a good tool for you to use if you're not sure what you want to do, because it tells you kind of what's simpler. Okay, then we have compare two occupations side by side. So this is what you're going to do for this assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and compare my top two. So I have counseling psychologist, so that was here. So I'm going to find counseling psychologist, and I need to know what they're called, so I'm looking for it. Counseling psychologist, here we go. And then what was my second one? I don't remember. Let me look really quick. So I did save these in downloads, so I'm going to go to downloads. Okay, so there's a lot of downloads here. It was curriculum and, oh, for God's sakes, I won't even open my PDFs because I haven't paid them. Okay, it's called Curriculum and Assessment Director. So C, Curriculum and Assessment Director. Here we go, bam. So those two. So I'm going to compare these occupations. So here are my two that I'm comparing. Okay, so what I would like you to do, just to show me that you have made this comparison, is go ahead and take a picture of, I'm going to go ahead and back that up. I'm just going to take a big picture of this, of the top before the graph. So I'm going to do my photo here. I've made this smaller, and in case you didn't know that, it's like Control minus. So I'm just going to take a picture here like this, and I'll include that. Okay, so you're going to have 4 things to turn in for this assignment. You're going to have, number 1, a screenshot of your top 3 results. You're going to have 3 PDFs, 1 for each of the 3 top occupations, and then you're going to have a compare 2 careers or 2 occupations, and you'll take a picture of that after making it small enough to where you can get that graph in there. Okay, they also have a college search here. So you can search by major. So this is something that's new to Focus2Career, and I haven't used it much. There probably will be an assignment on this in the future, but for right now, what I'm going to do is go, okay, I'm my major. Let's say I'm doing psychology as my major. Psychology, apply. Okay, so here's a list of colleges that offer degrees in psychology. So this is really helpful. Now, this will be like a foreshadowing for next week, because we're going to talk about, or maybe it's the week after, we're going to do colleges. And choose colleges that have our major. So we'll be looking at that. So hopefully that was helpful, and you can take a look at the rubric for this assignment to make sure that you have all 4 pieces. You need, again, that photo of your top 3 results after you combine all of the assessments into one occupation summary. And then you're going to just take a picture of the top 3 occupations. Then you're going to download the PDFs for each of those 3 top occupations of yours. Then you're going to go to compare occupations and choose your top 2 and compare those. Zoom out a little bit and then take a picture that includes the graph. If it takes you more than 1 screenshot, no big deal. Okay, so that is it. That is how to do the assignment, and I appreciate you. And just in case I forgot to tell you how to get to Focus2Career, it's kind of at the end here, but we're over here in my Chafee view. Focus2Career is in Everyday Tools, and you have to scroll down sometimes and click on Show More in order to access Focus2Career. And there it is. So, and again, just so you know, you're going to combine your results first. You're going to put them all in. This is like the recap. Apply. Okay, this is the screenshot you want, your top 3, whatever those are. Then you're going to go and make sure that you click on each one, grab the PDF for 3 of them, and then you're going to go back to your main dashboard and go to compare any 2 occupations side by side. You're going to jump to whatever letter it is, and you're going to find the first occupation, the second occupation, and then compare them, zoom out, take a screenshot, including the graph. That's it. That is the video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.